Hello. Down. Second, no. BB, drawing BB, Balloon Boy, from Five Nights at Freddy's 2, today. I'm running out of paper. So, I have a picture of him. I might use a bit of the... Oh no. Oh, no. Okay, so... I have a picture of him on my laptop. Sorry, I won't be able to show you. It's quite, it's like a cartoony one, but I couldn't find any other like good ones because they didn't look like him. Because it was like Photoshop. But yeah, let's just get started. So yeah, we'll do the bottom of his face first. Doing him quite flat. And his ear, and then that's where I'll start his hair. Because his ear's quite, actually no. So I'll start his hair. Because we need to do his little hat as well. And we'll do his little sign saying balloons next to him. Actually no. Okay, we'll do this the same. Okay, there we go. And then do his hair. I will be colouring in these off camera, like all of these. Off camera, obviously, because I don't want it to be on camera. Sorry. Okay, so that's his hair. And hat. Maybe like that. That isn't that big because I'm going to do his little like like wing thing. It looks like a palm tree, but who cares? Okay. Okay, let's go into his face now. So we've done his hair and everything. He's actually quite easy to do. I'm gonna do his face, like his eyes, how they would be in the game. He doesn't have eyelashes because obviously he's a boy. And he has a triangle nose. And then he has a really nice smile with his teeth. You can't see his endoskeleton in his teeth, so that's why people can call him an illusion. But yeah, Balloon Boy's finished. Very short video, because he's quite easy. So let me go back onto this one. But yeah, 3 minutes, 4 minutes maybe, 5 minutes this video. This one will probably upload before Mangle, so sorry about that. But oh well, if it does. I said I was going to do Mangle's parrot. I'm going to do that a different time. So once I've done all of my drawings for the animatronics, obviously I'm not going to do like the third game yet because that's not out yet. Kind of want to be able to see what the new animatronic looks like, because we all know there's a new one, like a golden bunny, everyone's calling it. I'm just like, I don't know. So yeah, I will show you it. Actually, no, I'll write on it what I'm doing. I'll write on it and stuff really quick. So BB slash boy. Okay, and 5 9 He does look a bit weird because in the picture he's got just a smile without his teeth. So I had to kind of do his teeth myself. So yeah, this is what he looks like. Focus. Okay. You can't really see it, but on there. Is this going to help? And then if I do that, the light will adjust. There we go. You did see it really quick. So yeah. Add him to my collection. Might as well just start my next one, really. Start my next one. Okay, so because it'll just be like, you know, my next one is going to be Toy Freddy. No. I know. Let's just do the marionette. So we'll do the marionette and oh, that's a perfect picture. So we'll do the marionette. So this one is a double video, I guess. I can use using none of these. I'm gonna run up paper. I have 2 more sheets. So let's just get started. Like I always do, I'm gonna just do his head. I'm gonna do it the size. I could maybe like. They look fat when I do this though. It goes out a little bit and goes back in. It looks like ears now. Oh well. No. That turned out really bad. I drew this the other day during this playing this game called Squiggles. Don't know if you know it, but yeah. It actually turned out pretty well. And I wasn't actually looking at the picture. It turned out pretty good. There's that nice, weird smile. And he has his little lipstick. Oh. To his nice rosy cheeks. And he has his like human eyes. And this he has like little white dots in his eyes, because this is when he's coming after you. Then we have his tears. There we go. It looks really weird. This doesn't look like the marionette at all. Oh well. It's like looking at a picture and just like, doesn't matter. It's still the marionette. Okay, my scissors will cut there for a minute. Okay, such a problem. Okay. I'm gonna cut this bit off. Wait. That can go in the bin because that won't be used for anything. So yeah, I'm gonna check the time. Just gonna really quickly write down. So okay, and then 5 Nights at Freddy's 2. And then oh yeah. Okay. So I'll show you the puppet. It doesn't look like it. Like this guy's hard to draw. I might as well just do a third one. Actually no. So this is it. 1 minute. 1 minute! This is it. Oh, it doesn't really look like it, but oh well. Doesn't matter really. There we go. Oh well, it doesn't matter. So thanks for watching, and add that to my collection. with Balloon Boy, my small ones. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed. I'm going to do. Sorry, that's music. Trying to think. I'm going to do all of my other ones off camera, and then when I do my video of me showing you my ones what I've coloured in, like all of them, because I'm not going to do any more drawing videos, sorry, but yes, I'm going to do Toy Freddy, Toy Chica, and Red John to Winnie, and Golden Freddy. Might do that as a video, special Golden Freddy one. He's going to be my last one that I draw. And then I'm going to colour them all in. But I'm going to do Toy Chica and Toy Freddy off camera. Sorry. Oh, and the endoskeleton and the old Foxy. So yeah, quite 4 off camera, but that's okay, I guess. 4 or 4. 4 off camera, but yeah, that doesn't really matter. And then I'll do a special Golden Freddy for my last Five Nights at Freddy's 2. One. So yeah, and then I'll try and put all of them once Five Nights at Freddy's 3 come out. I'll try and do all them, and then in between them, I'm going to be doing some videos where I'm going to be drawing like Toothless from How to Train the Dragon and all of his friends. I'm not going to draw like I'm not going to draw all the human like Vikings in it. I'm going to draw characters from Revenge Time and stuff like that, because that show is cool. And yeah, I'm going to be drawing quite a few stuff. Minecraft, I'm going to be drawing. It's going to be hard. I'm going to do like Minecraft animals and stuff like that. But you know, so yeah, hope you enjoyed. And yeah, please rate, like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, it helps me out a lot. Yeah, thanks. I hope you enjoyed. I sure have by doing it for you guys. And yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.